Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So Wuben sent over another flashlight for us to take a look at. This is the Wuben E7 lightweight easy carry light. Actually, in fact, this is not a flashlight. This is a Wuben ECL easy carry light, if you couldn't figure that out. But anyways, let's take a look at the back here. This is the QR code to the website, but you can also go to wubenlight.com. It's the same place. And we also have the Facebook QR code, and we also have the specifications, and you can pause the video and take a look at that if you want, but we will go over those shortly. We have made in China, and let's take a look at the flashlight. Starting off with the secondary box, we have 4 different colors here. We can get it in black, khaki, orange, and green. And actually, they did send over a khaki version, and we'll take a look at that shortly. And we will find out what I'm going to do with that one near the end of the video, so stay tuned. So, we have your multi-language manual. We have the flashlight, and we have some other goodies in here. So let's see what we have in here. All your usual suspects. You have your spare O-rings. Thank you, Wuben, for that. Much appreciated. We have your lanyard, and we also have a USB Type-C charging cable, which is kind of rare these days. Usually it's USB Type-C to Type-A, which maybe we're all moving in this direction. That's pretty cool. So let's take a look at the flashlight. So it is a 6-mode 1800 max lumen output flashlight. You have a 60-hour maximum runtime. It is made from a aircraft grade aluminum alloy with a micro arc oxidation process. I'm not quite sure what the heck that is, but whatever it is, it looks pretty darn nice. It does have an IP68 water resistant rating, which is 2 meters at 1 hour submerged, 1.5 meter impact rating, and it's measuring 2.38 inches long and 0.94 inches in diameter, as well as 1.1 inches high, which is basically from belt clip to lens. And converting that over to metric, 60.6 millimeters by 24 millimeters by 28.01 millimeters. Weighing in at 2.82 ounces or 80 grams, and I believe that is with the battery. We do have Type-C charging. Obviously, we have that Type-C charging cable, and it is coming in with a 18350 battery for a 60-hour continuous runtime. We do have a tiny little spring down there, as well as a big spring, and we have the 18350 1100 milliamp battery here. Now you can get a battery extender, which will screw into here, and you can upgrade the battery to an 18650 battery, which will give you a continuous runtime of a whopping 180 hours. That's amazing. We do have a magnetic tail cap and a pretty decent pocket clip or shirt collar clip. Pretty neat. So it's quite the versatile flashlight, or easy carry light, shall we call it. But it is coming in with a 1800 max lumen output with a max intensity of 4356 candela and a throw of 132 meters, all coming from 2 Osram P9 LEDs. You can get it in a cool white 6500K or a warm white, which is 5000K. Let's take a look at what the modes are. I will do beam shots at the end of this video, so stay tuned for those as well. So we have moonlight or low, which is 5 lumens for 60 hours. Press and hold. We have medium for 150 lumens for 4.5 hours. We have high for 400 lumens for 1.3 hours. And we have a double tap here for turbo, which is 1800 lumens for 1 minute. They'll step down to 800 lumens for 1 more minute. and then it will eventually step down to 400 lumens for 1.2 hours. Strobe warning, and that's going to be 1000 lumens. You can also get it in SOS mode, which is 200 lumens. So, all in all, it's a pretty cool little flashlight. I think it's very pocketable, or very everyday carry friendly. Let me know down in the comments what you think. So, let's take a look at the khaki color here. And I plan on giving one of these away in the near future. And make sure you stay tuned to the channel for the details of that giveaway. But this is the khaki. And it is same exact flashlight, just a different color. I kind of like the khaki, personally. Kind of reminds me of almost like a Star Wars color. But it is a nice looking flashlight. And put everything back together. That flashlight right there is unadulterated. I have not charged it. So it is as the way it came from the factory. But look forward to doing that video in the near future. But let me know down in the comments what you think of this flashlight. And make sure you stay tuned to the very end for the beam shots. And as per usual, they are not very scientific. I set up a tripod, walk out about 20 paces, and I just shine the flashlight around in the woods. So again, not very scientific, but you get a good idea of what kind of flashlight it is. But I want to thank everyone for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. I hope everyone's having a great night, and I'll see you next time. And stay for those beam shots, please.